Lengths of tangents. So we'll start in geometry, and first off we'll draw a circle. Now we'll have a fairly small circle this time, so I'll tap once for the center and once for the circumference. Let's make it about that size and let go. Next we need a couple of line segments, so here we go. We'll choose the line segment tool. I'm going to tap onto B and tap somewhere out over here for C. Now obviously that's not a tangent at the moment, but we'll sort that out in a while. I'm going to tap onto C and then back onto the circle somewhere in about the right place. But again, what we'll do next is actually snap these and make these into tangents to the circle at those points. So that means we head off to the measurement toolbar. First job is to select this segment and the circle, and you can see the what it's measuring is this line a tangent. That's the icon for that, and it isn't at the moment. By tapping on the padlock, it says yes it is, and it moved B around to make sure that CB is now a tangent to the circle at point B. So we'll deselect and do the same for this segment. So at the moment it's not a tangent. We select it, we select the circle, it's not at the moment. We'll tap onto the lock, and now it is. So that's we've now got a circle, and we've constructed a couple of points of tangency, and CB and CD are both tangents to our circle. So let's measure how long they are. If we tap onto CD and pop a copy out onto our desktop here, we'll get the keyboard up and go to the ABC menu, and we'll choose capital B, capital C. For that one is equal to, and tap execute. And if I hide the keyboard and tap onto the work surface, there's BC is now being measured. Do the same for CD. Tap a copy of it down here, bring up the keyboard. Let's get capitals. This is DC. DC is equal to, tap execute, and hide the keyboard. So here are our two tangents, and look, it looks like they're very similar lengths. Now what happens if we tap onto C and move it somewhere else? So let's move C over to here. You'll notice things have changed, but the lengths are still the same. If I decide to put C over to here, D has gone to the same place. Let's edit, undo that. That's the safest way, and maybe move C around to here a bit. Maybe move C further out, and we notice that these two values are identical, confirming that the lengths of tangents to a circle from an external point are always the same length.